A serious public health crisis is looming at the Glengoffe Police Station in St. Catherine, from rat and termite infestation to unsanitary toilet facilities. As Kalisha Williams now reports, the councillor for the area has hinted that the police station will soon be shut down by the Public Health Department.
From the outside, it looks like the typical police station, but the inside tells another story.
I mean, it's really heartrending to see the living conditions. Really, I think they deserve more than this.
From the bathroom to the bed, ceiling to floor. This is what the policemen and women at the Glengoffe Police Station in St. Catherine have to endure on a daily basis.
I realized that they were using one bathroom containing one shower with 2 toilets, which were flushed using buckets. That bathroom is shared by the sergeant, his staff, which includes females. The place is infested with termites, and rats were running around freely.
I have received credible report as the councillor that the station will be locked down, coming from the Public Health Department.
So it will be, so don't close it, but it will be closed.
A notice will be served very shortly.
But how did it get to this? Lynette Richards is a justice of the peace and researcher in the community. She explained the station was built in 1937.
From I know this police station, it just looked the same. I think they will do a little painting, but for the structure, the first structure is here. They did a little addition around the back, like putting a cell or a bathroom, but no major repair was done.
And so, over the years, it continued to deteriorate.
We have to take some of the blame too, because we are committee members and we have GPs, we have councillors, and it just looks like it just overnight this thing happened, which is not.
However, Councillor for the Mount Industry Division, which includes Glengoffe, Rujay Curlew, insists he has been advocating for the station to be fixed. And now he's renewing that appeal.
But I've been raising the concerns over the years at the General Council meeting and at the Disaster Preparedness Committee, which I chair, about the nasty state of the station, and promises were made. It was always a funding issue, and that Glengoffe Police Station is on a list. But we need it to be taken off that list now and something to be put into perspective, and some rehabilitation work starts here.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.